So this is a picture I took in Escalante, and I was like, oh, this will be perfect to kind of talk about how we created this workshop. You know, originally Seth and Elizabeth met with us this spring and said, you know, hey, we had this workshop last fall, and you know, we just wanted to talk to you about drought and kind of what Utah's doing and what you're planning and really how we can be of assistance. And through a lot of brainstorming, this workshop came out of it. And before I go on too much farther, I wanted to ask you, when you hear the word or say the word or even think the word drought, what does it mean to you? What are some initial, even just words that come out? Any thoughts? No? I thought drought would have people all like fired up.
Water shortage.
Water shortage. Dry lake beds.
Sleepless nights.
Yes, yes. Nice.
Fire.
So fire, Great Salt Lake, sleepless nights, water shortages, dry lake beds. What else?
Hence the sleepless nights.
Yes, no feed for our livestock and livelihood in some cases. Yeah, the economic associated risks associated with drought. Well, I'm really excited that I think that we get to explore many of these today and tomorrow and continue that discussion of what it is. This is from January of this year. We all know that we had a dry year with low snowpack. This is in North Ogden. That's Ben Lomond on your right. Yeah, not a lot of snow. Took my dogs hiking in February. Still, not a lot of snow. At this time in 2017, obviously, which was a big year, so comparing them is probably not fair, was snowshoeing at that time. We're going to get into talking about the drought that we're in Utah, and as Rachel said, this workshop is primed at this time to talk about drought, and we're actually in the process of updating our drought plan and look forward to this workshop and all of you as stakeholders giving us information on how to make that plan the most useful. So there's this quote that I really enjoy, but really it is, what if I fall? Oh, but what if I fly, right? But what if you fly? So hopefully together through our collaboration with NIDIS and Western Water Assessment, we can, and you all as stakeholders, we can make this a great workshop and we can inform the plan better.